Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. And then we just let you do what you want with them. All right, June 6th, Presidential Executive Order unleashing American drone dominance. All right, today we have an order on advancing drone and eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in the U.S. aviation system. The goal is to safely speed up drone and eVTOL testing, use, production, and export to help in certain industries like delivery, inspections, farming, emergency response, etc., and reduce dependence on foreign-made drones. So the FAA has some orders on this one. They will create rules and safety metrics that allow drones to fly beyond the operator's line of sight, important for industries like delivering and public safety, etc. They will also use AI to speed up drone approvals, especially for safe, routine operations, and review international flight rules so domestic drone flights over international waters don't face unnecessary rules meant for regular airplanes. The FAA will also publish an updated roadmap on how drones will be added into national airspace while using test ranges to help gather data and test advanced operations like autonomous flying. A pilot program will also be launched for eVTOL aircraft, and remember this is the electric aircraft that take off and land vertically, specifically talking about flying taxis, which is pretty wild. The main goal is to promote US-made drones and start exporting them to other countries as soon as possible. This will also kind of leak into the US military, who is ordered to stop relying so heavily on foreign-made drones and drone components while identifying military programs that could be replaced by drones. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. We'll be back. Bye-bye.